The universe is where we live, all the stars we can see, and billions more besides. Scientists think the early universe was very small, but still contained all the matter and all the energy there is today. And, to make it more amazing, scientists also think the original universe lasted for less time than it takes to blink your eye. Then it began to grow. They call this theory the Big Bang. Many scientists believe that the universe began between 13 and 18 billion years ago, but no one is quite sure exactly when. What was there before remains a mystery. Some scientists think our universe began as a bubble, which split off from another universe. Others think that in the beginning, all the matter in the universe was squeezed into a tiny, incredibly hot, incredibly massive ball. When the ball began to get bigger, like a balloon being blown up, all the matter in the universe started to explode outwards. All the matter in the universe, stars, planets, clouds of gas, tiny particles of dust, is held together by four invisible forces. These forces are gravity, electromagnetism, and two forms of nuclear force, strong and weak, which hold the particles of every atom together. Gravity is the attraction between all matter in the universe. It keeps the moon in orbit around the Earth, and the Earth in orbit around the sun. The more matter a body has, the stronger its pull on other bodies. Nothing in the universe travels faster than light. Light is given off by stars, such as our sun, and it travels through space at roughly 300,000 kilometers per second. Yet, because the universe is so large, even at this speed, light from the sun takes more than 8 minutes to reach us on Earth. Yes, scientists can tell that groups of stars known as galaxies appear to be moving away from us. The galaxies themselves are not moving, but the space between them is stretching. By measuring how fast this distance is increasing, scientists can work out how long it has taken for everything to get where it is now, so they have a rough idea when the Big Bang set everything off. Scientists have calculated that the hot ball before the Big Bang must have swelled at a much faster rate than even the speed of light. The hot ball would have grown to the size of a galaxy within a fraction of a second. Scientists can detect background radiation spread throughout space, probably left over from the Big Bang. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that there were other galaxies apart from our own Milky Way. The distance between Earth and each of these galaxies is increasing at unbelievable speed. Galaxies are giant groups of up to trillions of stars, and there may be as many as 20 trillion galaxies in the universe. Not really. Matter was created almost as soon as the universe began. Space is littered with stars and gas clouds, made almost entirely of two elements, the gases hydrogen and helium. There are other elements too, such as iron, carbon and oxygen, but these are rare. The space between stars and planets is full of bit space debris, including very tiny specks of dust and larger pieces of rock. Some of this space dust forms clouds, called nebulae. These vast clouds of matter are the factories inside which new stars and planets are made. The Horsehead Nebula is one of many factories in space where new stars are born.